So the great thing about being a supplier is every role is available to you, whether that's working in fuels. If you want a desk job, you can go and work in that department.
The most important trait working in RAF logistics is probably being proactive.
You've got to be hard-working, you've got to work well as a team but also individually, and I would say a sense of humour would help. I've learnt a lot about how other companies work as well as the RAF, which will help me if I do decide to leave the Air Force.
So we're responsible for distributing any spares, ground spares, air spares, and that's all through the receipts and dispatch section. So you pack it, process the paperwork.
So I work in a primary stock holding group, which means we house all the kit. I also am the supplier for a lot of the bays, so when people modify kit and change it, it's our job to store it and then distribute that out to operation environments and people overseas. We also deal with all the classified equipment too. So before I joined the RAF, I was working in a call centre, and it was a job that I felt like I wasn't getting much progression in. So I wanted a career where they'd give back to me and where they'd invest in me. You do your basic training, you do your phase 2 training when you learn about supply. Some of my personal development is the education centre where they contribute to you gaining extra qualifications. There's also the opportunity to do adventure training where you can develop your personal skills like leadership, trust, mentoring.
So with the RAF, I've travelled to Mali, which is in Africa, and that was part of the Chinook detachment. I also went Nordic skiing in Germany.
What I enjoy most about my current role is dealing with all the classified kit, whether that's going to exercises or operations around the world, ensuring that it gets there and the operational requirements are met.
And there's like a variety in the job. So one minute you could be in receipts and dispatch, inbound, outbound freight, driving forklift. The next you could be in the supply accounting section doing the admin work.
The apprenticeship takes 12 months to complete. It's a mixture of written assessments and then an exam at the end, as well as a practical exam, so people can see that you are able to do what's required of you. Yeah, you have to work as a team. I've only been here for 15 months, so I don't know everything. And I think someone that's been here for 15 years probably doesn't know everything. So you have to have the help of your colleagues that know more than you and work together to get the output you need.